everybody. Long time no see. I'm here. I'm still here. Still here. A lot of you have reached out to me and have asked, where have I been and how am I? Everything is good. I had COVID and, well, basically I had strep, then strep again, then COVID, then a sinus infection. And all of that took especially COVID, took a really, really big toll on my mental health. And I just needed a bit of time to kind of take a step back and come to fruition about a couple of things. I think the universe wanted me to sit back for a second, and I did, and I'm still working on just being me again and doing everything that I love. But I'm here with a Scorpio makeup look. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Scorpios. This is a super quick video, but I love how this look came out, and I hope you're ready because I'm going to be sharing a lot more astrology on my channel. It's something that I really, really enjoy and something that I love, so I hope you guys love it too. And you're going to be seeing astrology and makeup Mondays. I don't know if it's going to be on Monday, but astrology and makeup. Don't forget it. It will be here. But let me finish all of my astrology looks for you and let's get into it, Scorpio. So you're a water sign, as we know. Topaz, opal, hibiscus, geranium, black, scarlet, red, rust. Those are the colors, the flowers, the crystals that really resonate with Scorpio. Scorpio's not sign, but what represents Scorpio is the scorpion. Probably the only sign that has a very straightforward symbol is Scorpio, scorpion. It's ruled by the planet of Mars. I also have Pluto here as well in the 8th house. And I feel like Scorpio, we're seeing, and we're always seeing, a lot of that death and dying and skulls and dark, deep when it comes to Scorpio. And that's what I wanted to emulate in this makeup look, but I wanted it to be very sensual and very sexy, and I feel like I 100% encompassed that for sure. So I'm very happy with the way that this look came out. I feel like Scorpios, you guys are caught up in your feelings. You always try to seem tough, but under that tough exterior, you are very emotional. You're overthinking everything, and you just have this deep meaning for everything around you, inside of you. So you can come off as that prickliness and coldness, jealous, stubborn, to everyone on the outside, but you can be extremely, extremely loving, very rich and intense. I know a lot of you Scorpios get so upset sometimes when people incorporate this deep darkness with your sign, but trust me, if I ever wanted to be any single sign out of all of astrology, it was always Scorpio. I was like, Scorpios are badass and sexy as hell, and I wish I was one of them. So you guys definitely love being right. One of the most well-known Scorpio characteristics is determination. You guys are super determined. You're very tough-minded, but I just think that determined part of you is so, so amazing. When you want something, and nothing and no one else can get in your way. You guys are super brave, and you guys can be secretive, but I think for good reason, because you are so heavy and hard on yourself in regards to your emotions and how you feel on the inside. That is everything, you guys, that I have for you Scorpios. Get ready, because the next video coming is going to be all about all you Sagittarius out there. I'm gonna be chatting it up with you guys just like this in that upcoming video. And after we've reached the last sign in astrology, which is Pisces, which is my sign, I will be continuing to do more astrology videos, helping you learn more about astrology and doing some makeup while we learn all about it. So make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos, and make sure you're following me on TikTok and also Instagram. I'll see you guys soon.